Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
But haka CC baroki members koi nilai simi haka rai metakasi haka bedi bat ka jingere jong ka UDP bat ka HSPDP apo ka Regional Democratic Alliance banang penskam bat ya ka ya cekmat meeting kita mengayo dengan HSPP ke dia pada November ada pula kita sih dah kami dah sur parti kita cuma dia apa untuk ni kami jom kali pak bedi bat ka MP election ru ka ada dijengkan apa akan ni ka election pemerintah kandon ke dekat nak kalian jom ke HSPDP bat ka UDP nak kepada jadi election keba saya harus dan banwat nak kepada ka tura parliamentary seat pada ni untuk CEC minta kasih kala committee ya ka komiti jangka parti dekat bat kasu kan nengot ki senior leaders jangka parti na province bahkan sesang berdekat hak beri bat KMP election nang ta susu hak beri bat ka CC mentakasi kala approve ya ka state election committee nak benta ka MP election bat kunjuru nak benta ka MDC election de malor kini di dan kiwe ki member bade ki president ki secretary jong respective districts ki ba yelu ki dikhat aba wan ki kam tu di na komentar ki tu di constituency ki ba ha kawe ki district de ni nampak dan kena mengujikan dari baru kandidat dari ino akan di start yang ke state election committee nak benta ka jingjit yaki ketong baka di perkat akan beri bak kandidat jong parti te nang ta susu kala CC ru kala aika direction nak benta baru di district bagi circle ba in nang penturun cekmat yaki kam jangka parti ban penklain kapol ban akaju kapol ban pindi kenapa di dong ki malak loy ban dikun ya election ladakawan hakan wan kapol de kalau dong gaji kan hakabade bat performance wing de ba olan sun bari president jangka performance wing ila ai ya kecil pakai tindak berbeda nak bentah ni bat ila bu ba ka meeting jom nak masuk kanong ha kata yo ka banikong jom nai no pra Disember aja kita kirong ki rai ki ba nakaliang jong kapati ship. CEC has resolved to endorse the decision taken by the leaders of UDP and HSBDP, which was held on the 7th of November 2023, to work together for the upcoming election for the Shillong parliamentary seat. And for the Pura parliamentary seat, it was decided to leave it to the state election committee, which will be the members from those who are members already in the core committee, along with few senior leaders of the party from Garo Hills. And today, the CAC also has approved the selection of members of the state election committee. And this state election committee will be for the MP election and the MDC election as well. And now, again, as far as the candidate is concerned, I would like to inform you that we have entrusted the state election committee to look into the matters related to the candidature of those who are expressed their interest to contest from our party. At the same time, the CEC also has given direction to all the respective districts and circles to continue to work for the party and how to strengthen more and to be prepared for the MP election and the MDC election as well. Another decision today is that we had also discussed about the problems faced by the farmers. So since we have the farmers wing, where one of the elected member, MLA, is Olansu, is the president.
Secretary
And secretary is the Sinsha Buhthong, the Thaba, who is the MLA from Soyang constituency. We have entrusted to them for the meeting which they have fixed up on, which will be held on the first week of December. And this is what the agendas and the discussion we had, which was resolved today in the CEC. We don't get expectation manginjok. Katakan ni buat kita ni. Ndai ni suntuk bagi don ro ki jing klot hang ni hang tai akibat itu dia. So by experience, after we have gone through all those, ni ayah yang babon ki igi berkhot, but kun kapati ni ayah man perkata, kaya babatan mangin. Ndai tangka lenti bangin siman mereka, ndai wat kandidate tu bangin siman jet. Dan eskem ba mentang kena kekentingin bakal. Ba kipai ba kilo very much di dalam sah akaset jom UDP kalau tang kata kau. Ngim dia. Well, end of the day, we have to look into the picture in a bigger way, right? So my personal kind of assumption is that I could see that this time people will definitely give regional party a chance. That is one. And it all depends on the right candidate that we put in. I'm not saying that we had wrong candidates in all the past, but what I mean to say here that this time, really people have realized after so many elections that we have had for many times, I think this time people have realized. I have interacted with so many people from all walks of life, so they have expressed their confidence level with the UDP this MP election. Kikam di babag ba umay MDC bodo hadu menta bo try sati kani kalong kaway ka daw ka ba balay ki pagbagin jit yang yo ka dito mangin in pinti kina mangi pasang banyo iki candidate iba kum kini hadir bagi job kita nak kita ba kita kalau kowe badan kamu ini ngimdan jing atate nak kepada barka sela konsumsi wari ba ten ilong kumtu wadang lek pati nak kuai ini le dan rei ni ya kene ha ka start jong but ka circle ham tu kai ka bakin simi ka ha ba ta he asked all of them is it true
Warna hitam.
Hah?
Warna hitam.
Jangan sebab. Well, ni don haka proses bangin khot ik babon ki parlok ki bangi I baka don ke jing termen nak renjungi da ka bangi bu ya ki candidate ki badai ki baki pai ba ki priang ni kwai ki ke de baki join ni ka parti. Mde ka ni way tu de baro ni kwa mayo ki candidate jungi this time haka MDC election ba kinde ki candidate ki ba ki pai ba ki don ke senia but ki candidate ki ba dai ba poi sa kata ka target ba ka agenda na kan jungi ko parti
Wakum ke parti UDP itu kan kan yang jadi candidate Buhthong boleh kuai bagi parti ba kimyo ki bring Buhthong berklaim parti tu nangkam dia menyak dia tak lenti
kunung
ba kumlang kuai parti gua penyan di candidate Buhthong itu muka asyuk di barim nyai bal aram kai kasan dengan parti
ngam hagalor kanu ka nongrim baki shimi kata kalong bokla ngam tip mo ngam tip kata Henry nakalian jungi kum kapati soban ong kum ba nangi nipe sibon don sibon ki candidate ki ba hadir mengajar ije kila job kila travel sansnem haba ki dang dei ki MLA ki dei ki MDC ki bateri haram ta parti iki tu de ban continue dan haba don pada ki bamla menteri ki ba jangai ni pai ba ki bamla menteri ka kam ka tu ki ti pai ba ko kita pada tinggal nak menyepet nak kapos kapo dan rei hakaju ka thong nak ngas ong mentan ba ni jet ki candidate mentan ni kenapa begini kan ki lu minyo mentan kita ben long ki candidate ki ban poi syak thong ta kan president that is left with the state election committee and at the same time with the HSPDP also in consultation and in consultation with all the stakeholders. Decision will be taken together with the HSPDP. Kerjanya tu jungi kalau bangin beteng ni ke bangin laju tu beros kata, apa ke RDA, ke HSPDP, bat ke UDP. Kena kapol sakapol, kita sibun ki agenda sibun ki kam ki bangin haban take up. Ke yaman tahi ke day nak mentak ke MP election. Bagang HKM ba kiwi ki bang bot ada dulu kinya long lah. Apa juga nanti. Of course, in fact, from time to time, we always invite and call all the regional parties to come together and to work with us as the party. And but from time to time, HSPDP is the only party so far that we have been working together for many years. And we hope and believe that we will continue in the days and years to come. And at the same time, we also extend our invitation to other regional parties, like-minded parties also, to come together and be under the banner of the RDA. Take a call as early as possible.
Aduh, mentah kan nombor papan tiket na ke UDP na minta election.
Kita don bon kibala ya pau pen snow ya ka jing ang not ka jing kwa kiban contest ya ka election. Nrai ya ka ni ka benta pa ni ilong ha state election committee di bakan syong ban yai ban proses ya ka nak benta pa finally auto.
What about from Tura Parliament?
No, for Garo Hills we don't have yet, but we have entrusted it to the State Election Committee with the co-op of those senior leaders from the friends from senior leaders from the party from Garo Hills. It is possible, so this is one of the immediate meetings which will be held as far as this process of selection of the candidate.
Could you also
And we have not, but there's no anybody who would like to extend their willingness to support their party. We are most welcome. In fact, now it's a call from the party. So that was the decision that we have made. So we will go with that.
Many are.
Anticipation is concerned, that is merely an anticipation. So it may be right and it may be wrong. One cannot assure that with that it will work by this, and with or without it will not work. So the question of that is not, I think, doesn't make sense much of that. We have our own way of working. So I think what we feel this time, that what we are doing, I think we are in the right track. We don't want to talk anything about other political parties. But our strength is that UDP has been there for many years. And people have had the confidence with UDP for so long. I'm very sure that this time, after what has happened in the last MLA election, I think people will realize that UDP is the only party that